Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In lesson number 4, we will learn murakkabat. Murakkabat, to join, how to join letters in Arabic, okay? So after learning the single letters and after learning the main points of our mouth, okay, main 5 exit point letters, we will learn today murakkabat. Murakkabat means to join, okay? Join letters and make word, okay? So if you have everything in your mind about our previous lesson, so it will be very easy to get this, this one also. The first one is alif. Alif, again, alif. They have given the real one, the, proper letter is underneath every word, letters. This is alif, only alif. There are 2 letters. One is lam and that is alif. See, the shape changed. Some letters have very small and very, some letters has half shape. Some letters get very small. They, become very small when they join with other letters. So in, in this lesson, you will see all letters and their small and half shape and different shapes. They will change. Yes. So you will show this, you will see, inshallah, these all shapes in Quran. When you read Quran, okay, if you learn these, then it will be very helpful for you to recognize letters. Okay, what is this one? Lam, alif. The proper lam is here and alif is here. When they connect, connect and when you, join them, so it will like this, lam, alif. And this is also lam, alif, see? Maybe they have more than one shape, more than 2 shape, more than 3 shapes. So lam, alif, both are lam and alif. And this one, ba, see, the half shape of ba and then alif properly. We connected them. And it looks like this, ba, alif. So the position of dot is very important for, of course, especially for children, for kids. They get confused about the letters. Sometimes they call it ba, sometimes they call it noon. They confuse between noon and ba and other letters, fa, ba, noon, because every letter has 1 dot, but they don't know the position of dots. So tell them, in ba, the position of letter is down, okay? So 1 dot down, that is ba. Lam alif again, see? Lam alif. This is also lam alif. Lam alif, lam alif, lam alif. 3 lam alifs, different shape. Okay, the next one, lam, proper lam. This is also lam alif. 4 shape or lam alif. This one is also lam and ha. See? When connect lam and ha, so ha is proper. Lam is very small and strange. I think very unique, lam. So next one is lam alif again. Lam alif, 5 times here. In different shape, okay. What next one? 3 letters now. Ba, lam, ba. Okay, we joined 3 letters. Ba, half shape. Lam is very small, and ba is complete. The last letter will be complete in every word. This is kaf. Now you will see kaf shape, different shape of kaf you will find. Kaf. This is also kaf, kaf, kaf. This is also kaf, but next one is ba. 2 letters joined. Kaf, ba. So half of kaf and proper ba. This is also kaf and ba, the sign of kaf put on the, this lam. So it is kaf now, kaf, ba. This is also kaf and alif. See, different shape of the same letter, but different shape, okay? Like kaf and alif. Yes, different style. Ba, kaf, ta. Ba, kaf, ta. It has 1 dot on the bottom, so that is always ba. Ta, kaf, tha, ta, kaf, tha. Okay. Next one, ba, 1 dot down. Ta, 2 dots up. Tha, the proper letters. Okay. They're showing you proper letters. And when they come, become, join letters. So sometime they, comes with half shape. Sometimes they become very small. Sometimes they, change their shape. So therefore, this is very important to keep in your mind to recognize all letters, okay? Tha, noon, ya. This one is ba, alif, ba, alif. Ba is given here. Noon and alif are given here. Noon, alif. Okay, ta, alif given. Ya, alif. Tha, alif. 3 dot. Tha, soft letter. Ba, seen. Ya, seen. Yes, about ya. Yes. Most of people, they get confused because there are 2 dots. Okay, whenever ya connect with any letter, it has always 2 dots. 2 dots. This is, this is law. Yes, this is rule. So 2 dots and ya. Yasin, Yasin. Noon, seen, why? 1 dotted on the top. So some kids, they read it like za and sin. Za cannot connect with any letter. Za, dal, dal. They cannot connect with the next letter. Okay, before them, they connect. Yes, if there is a letter before them, they can connect, like lam and dal. Yes, they connect. But when they are as a first letter, they cannot connect. Noon, sin. Yes, this is not za. Noon, sin, ta, sin, the, sin, the, jim, the, ha. So if you recognize the position of dots, okay, that is very important, because ta is not proper here. See, only a sign like this, okay, and I will show you. This is very important, okay, only this part, see, but the 2 dots are saying this is ta, exactly. Otherwise they are same. These all they are same. Only the position of dot and how many dots are there and what are their positions. This is very important. So these are very simple. They are same, but the dots is saying they are different. This one non sin, this one ta sin, in this one tha sin, in this one tha jim, in this one ta ha. So I think this is enough for today. I hope you enjoyed it, inshallah. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and share it with your family members and your loved one, inshallah, to get sawab a jariyah. Okay, so see you inshallah in next lesson. Allah Hafiz, Jazakallah.